The gut-brain connection, how microbiome development affects autism and ADHD. What if the key to understanding autism and ADHD isn't just in the brain, but also in the gut? Emerging science reveals a powerful connection between the trillions of microbes in our gut and how our brains function. This discovery could transform the way we view neurodevelopment. The gut microbiome, our internal community of bacteria and other microorganisms, does more than digest food. It impacts mood, cognition, and behavior by communicating directly with the brain. This gut-brain axis might hold clues to conditions like autism and ADHD. Let's explore how. The gut and brain are constantly talking through the vagus nerve, hormones, and chemicals called neurotransmitters. Remarkably, gut bacteria produce many of these neurotransmitters, including serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood and focus. A healthy gut supports optimal brain signaling. When the gut microbiome is disrupted, through poor diet, stress, or illness, it may weaken this communication. This breakdown can affect emotional regulation, impulse control, and cognitive focus, typical challenges in autism and ADHD. Could rebalancing the gut improve these outcomes? The development of the gut microbiome begins at birth and evolves throughout early childhood. Factors like delivery method, vaginal versus C-section, breastfeeding, and exposure to antibiotics significantly influence microbial diversity. A diverse microbiome is critical for healthy brain development. Studies show children with autism or ADHD often have less diverse or imbalanced gut flora compared to their neurotypical peers. Could restoring this balance encourage healthier developmental pathways? Researchers are exploring ways to enhance the microbiome during these formative years. Scientific research points to a distinct gut microbiome profile in many individuals with autism and ADHD. For example, higher levels of certain inflammatory bacteria are commonly found, which may contribute to brain inflammation. This inflammation might disrupt neural pathways. Similarly, gut bacteria responsible for breaking down dietary fiber produce short-chain fatty acids, essential for brain health. A shortage of these beneficial bacteria in autistic and ADHD individuals could impair cognitive function. This raises the exciting possibility of targeted dietary adjustments. One of the simplest ways to support a healthier microbiome is through diet. High-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains feed beneficial bacteria, creating a thriving gut environment. Conversely, processed foods and excess sugar can harm microbial diversity. For children with autism or ADHD, specific dietary interventions have shown promise. Probiotics, prebiotics, and even elimination diets, like gluten or dairy-free plans, are being studied for their impact on symptoms. Every gut and brain is unique, so personalized approaches are key. Cutting-edge treatments are exploring the microbiome-brain connection. Fecal microbiota transplants, FMT, where healthy gut bacteria are transplanted into another person, have shown symptom improvement in small autism-focused trials. Although experimental, these results highlight the gut's potential role. Meanwhile, scientists are working on targeted probiotics, strains designed to benefit specific cognitive or emotional needs. Promising studies suggest these psychobiotics may one day offer therapeutic options for neurodevelopmental conditions, pairing gut health with brain support. So, how can we turn this science into action? Start by nurturing the gut through simple lifestyle changes. Encourage diets rich in natural, whole foods, and include fermented staples like yogurt or kimchi. Reduce stress, as it negatively impacts both gut health and behavior. It's equally important for caregivers of individuals with autism or ADHD to educate themselves and consult healthcare professionals. Personalized solutions that balance the gut could foster meaningful improvements in emotional well-being and focus. The gut-brain connection is a paradigm shift in understanding conditions like autism and ADHD. By grasping how gut health shapes brain function, we open doors to better care, groundbreaking therapies, and brighter outcomes. Essentially, healing the gut might mean healing the mind. Ready to dive deeper into this fascinating science or apply these insights in your life? Like, share, and subscribe to join us on this journey of discovery. Together, let's unlock the potential of the gut-brain connection and redefine neurodevelopmental care.